Hey YouTubers, so what you got here is a 20-pound bag of Fatwood. Picked this up off of Amazon. I don't remember the price of it, but it wasn't bad. Comes in a burlap sack, cinchable to some extent. Get a handful out just to show you pretty much what you're getting. So already pre-chopped into small size. You can baton these with no problem with just do more and smack in your hand. Doesn't harm anything. Fatwood, if you don't know what that is, check it out. There's plenty of videos out there. Really, really great fire tender, guys. You can start campfires with this. Great for the BioLite stove and any type of pack stove. So you guys enjoy. Have a good day. Like, share, and subscribe as always.